Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I got a real quick DIY for you. This is a fun one. I routinely have a lot of branches that I take down around my yard, and then I end up needing a bunch of mulch around my flower beds. So rather than pay someone to pick up my branches and then go out and buy bags of mulch, I just make my own. You can easily rent a wood chipper from your local tool rental for $100 for half a day. At least that's what I pay. That's going to at least be the price of the bags of mulch, and I get to have a little fun with a wood chipper. If you like what you see, press like, continue to follow along, and click subscribe, and you'll be sure to get notified on the updates of the latest content.